This is the chapter 11 mensuration. This is the fourth video of the chapter. In this we will learn about the 3D shapes, or you can call solid shapes. So let us discuss one by one. These are the few examples of solid shape, just like cuboid, cylinder, cone, cube, pyramids. So what is 3D shapes? In geometry, a three-dimensional shape can be defined as a figure or an object or that has three dimensions: length, width and height. Unlike two-dimensional shapes, three-dimensional shapes have thickness or depth. This is our first shape, that is cuboid. Cuboid having this is called the face, this is the vertex and this is the edge of the cuboid. Okay, so our first figure is cuboid. Let us discuss about the cuboid. Cuboid have six faces and all the faces are in a form of rectangle and opposite faces are identical. This face and this face, there are the two rectangles and these two rectangles are identical to each other. This face and that face, these two are again a rectangles and these two are identical to each other. Similarly this face and this face. Okay, so overall there are the three identical rectangles, or you can say that six rectangles. Okay, and three pairs of rectangles are identical. Six faces or faces which is in a shape of rectangles and three identical rectangles. Now the second solid shape is cube. This is a special case of cuboid. As you see in the 2D videos, a square is a special case of rectangle where all the sides are equal. Similarly in the case of cube, all the rectangles are here because all the edges are equal, so it is treated as a square. So all the square are similar, identical. Okay, this is the figure in which all the faces, this one, this one, this one, this one are given. Okay, all the six faces are in a form of a square and all these six squares are identical to each other. Now one more shape, that is cylinder. A cylinder consists of two types of shapes basically. In the middle part there is a curved surface and in the top and bottom part there is a circular shape. These two shapes, circular shapes, are identical to each other and the middle part is called curved face. Now we are going to talk about the surface area. The surface area of a solid object is a measurement of the total area that the surface of the object occupy. The total area. Here we are talking about the area which covered by the faces of the given solid shapes. Now firstly we are going to talk about the cuboid. If you see the two face, first face and the fourth face, these two are identical. This one is identical to this one, okay, and this one is identical to this one. So what is the formula of area? You have learned in the last videos, that length into breadth. So if you see this figure, this main figure, this is the length, this is the breadth and this is the height. The thickness is the height. So when you open this cuboid, it will become like this, all the faces, when you open all the faces. So if you have seen height into length, okay, height into length, तो height into length मतलब HL, तो twice HL, 2HL. If you see this figure, L into B, and this figure L into B, then 2L into B, 2LB. If you see this figure, then B into H, this figure B into H, 2BH. Take 2 as common, you will get the formula 2 in bracket LB plus BH plus HL. Twice in bracket length into breadth plus breadth into height plus height into breadth, and this is the total surface area of cuboid. Now similarly you can find the total surface area of a cube. Here all the sides are equal, so you can only take the area of one face, length into length. There are the total 6 faces, 1 2 3 4 5 6. So 6 side into side, side square, or 6l square. Here I am taking the length l, so 6l square. So the total surface area of cube is 6 side square. This is the cylinder. In the cylinder we can calculate the two type of areas. First is lateral or curved surface area. So this is the area of this curved face, okay, and the total surface area of a cylinder, in which we include both the circular face also. So how you will get the formula? As you know that the upper part of the cylinder is in a form of a circle. So if you cut down this cylinder from here, this part, okay, it will open and become a rectangle. The upper face, this upper face is the circular portion of that circle. And what is the circumference of the circle? 2 pi r. So length of this face, this circular curved face, is the 2 pi r, and the breadth is h height of the cylinder. So what is the area of this curved surface? 2 pi r into h, or simply 2 pi r h. Okay, now you have the area of curved surface, that is 2 pi r h. Now for finding the total surface area, we have to take the area of these circle also. So what is the area of circle? Pi r square, pi r square, pi r square. So 2 pi r square. Here you have 2 pi r square. So 2 pi r h plus 2 pi r square. Take this 2 pi common, and this r and 1 r from this common. You will get 2 pi r in bracket r plus h. So this is your total surface area of cylinder. And don't forget, the unit of area is unit square. Now let us talk about the volume. Volume is the quantity of three-dimensional shape enclosed by a closed surface. For example, the space that a substance or shape occupies or contain. Volume is often quantified numerals using the SI derived unit, that is the cubic meter. Okay, if you have seen three-dimensional face, then the overall capacity of that closed surface is called the volume. The entire space, okay, that figure or that substance occupied, that is called the volume. Or in simply you can say that the amount of shape that something contains or fill, that is called the volume. Now as you know that we discussed the three type of shapes, that is cuboid, cube and cylinder. So let us firstly take cuboid. So length of the volume of the cuboid is LBH, where L is the length, B is the breadth, and H is the height of the cuboid. Simply length into breadth into height is the volume of the cuboid. Now this is cube. As you know that all the parts, all the edges are equal in this. So side into side into side, length into breadth into height, side into side into side, side cube. Now here it is cylinder. The volume of the cylinder is pi r square h, where pi is usually 22/7 or 3.14. R is the radius of circular face, and h is the height of the cylinder.